Hey guys, it's Sam from PJ Boy Airsofter, and you've never seen me before, so this is my first unboxing video. I bought a ACM UK Arms M1011 shotgun from Evike. It was $35, it was on sale, paid $10 for shipping, and the UPS guy delivered it to my neighbor, and I just got it like an hour ago. It's been sitting on my neighbor's porch, so let's get to the unboxing. Okay, put sharp object away if I can figure out how to close it. There we go. Put sharp object away. Oh, we do have tactical wrapping paper. Battery caution, just a little warranty information, shipping invoice, and here's the gun itself. So apparently they had it mismarked. It's actually the M183A1, and it's the short version. So let's open it up, 18 and up. No one ever listens to this. Now the warranty. We got our manual, which has got holes in it. Looks like someone shot my man, which is Chinglish. So, and I need the knife again because it's in this stupid, like, saran wrap shotgun. Okay, so right away we have our gun. Ooh, it's actually pretty heavy. Alright, there's the gun. We have 4 high kappa shells, which each hold 30 rounds apiece. We have our unjamming rod, which is a junky one. Crappy BBs. We have, if I can get it out, a speed loader, the saddle for the shotgun, and a junky sling, which no one really cares about. Okay, so here's the shotgun itself, and it's all plastic. This is like, this whole part's rubberized. This feels rubberized. The handguard feels rubberized. It's got a cutie sling mount right there. It's got a sling mount up here. Okay, the way this works is, you pull this back, the door opens, shell goes in, and you close it, and then you're ready to go. It's got little crappy end bus sights, which don't seem to be that good. And I watched a review on this before, and the side saddle, the problem with it is that when you put the shells in it, they fall out, so I'll have to get, they sell Velcro ones, which was shown in the picture, but it, for some odd reason, comes with this junky one. And then we've got our safety. So, our hop-up unit is right here. Stops every once in a while, but it doesn't look like it would do much. I'm not sure what that button's for. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how the shotgun shell gets loaded with the speed loader. So you just, it's just like a magazine. You put the speed loader on the top of the shell, and you load it until it stops. It said 30, which I highly doubt this little thing holds 30. But yeah, so next we will do the shooting test. So as you can see, we're outside for the shooting test, and it's kind of under your liking. So it should be good. Woo! Okay, let's see if we can actually see the BBs when we shoot them. I decided we should do another shooting test, because the one outside you couldn't really see anything because it was raining so hard. And this is a single shot shotgun, not a tri-shot, so don't even ask. And I'm going to shoot this box right over here. Let's see how it does. you can see, the shotgun punches clean holes straight through the tape, even through the box. They didn't really penetrate because there's a second layer of cardboard. If there wasn't this second layer of cardboard, it would have gone through. So this is a very good shotgun. It's probably got some high firepower. Probably for the next thing that we should probably get is a chrono, so we can actually chrono these type guns. So yeah, so this has been PJ Boy Airsoft there. See you guys later.
Se gostou desse vídeo, deixa o seu like, deixa no comentário aí. E fale se gostou. Se vocês quiserem, tenha mais. E tchau!